Hi sir, today I will demonstrate how to derive and how to derive the VLSM subjective table and addressing scheme. So first, tignan po natin yung pinakamataas na uh, number of hosts, which is si 900. So ilalagay natin dito si 900, which is si PC6. And next is si PC1, which is 765. 765. And then si PC2, which is 350 hosts, which has 350 hosts. Then next po is si PC4, which has 150 hosts, and lastly is PC5. Hindi pala last, PC5. 125 kasi meron pa po si PC3. PC3 ba tama? PC3. PC3 has 50 hosts. And then si itong mga apology. PC2 to 10. Ay, then based po dito sa binigay na IP address. Binigay na IP address. First tayo kay 900 hosts dot 168 dot 0 dot 0 192.168.0.0. Tapos so ang first usable IP address po niya, the first usable IP address will be 192 ay dot 0 dot 1. Then yung 0 dot 1. Then ito sa 0 dot 1. Tapos sa CIDR, tignan lang the CIDR is 20. Tapos yung theta niya is theta based on the table 0.0.4.0 0.0.4.0. First, that is the first usable IP address. Then next tayo is the last usable IP address will be 192.168.3.254, and the broadcast address will be 192.168.3.255 254 and 3.255 255. The next is C760 65 number of hosts 192 dot 168 dot 4.0. 192.168.4.0 as yan. And the first usable uh, IP address will be 192.168.4.1 and yan po yung first usable IP address niya. Then the data of uh, this 765 host is the same as the data of 900 hosts. Oops. Then the broadcast address will be 192.168.7.255. 192.168.7.255 and of course the last usable IP address will be minus lang po tayo ng isa, parang bundle lang po sa 900 host, which is 254 lang din. Then next is see 350 host. For 350 host, 192.168 192.168.8.0 192.168.8.0 and the theta is 0.0.2.0 and the 0.0.2.0 for the cheat code is /23. Tapos yung first usable IP address po niya is 192.168 192.168.8.1. Then yung last usable the last usable IP address for 350 host will be 192.168.168 192.168.9.254 9.254 9.254 and of course the for its broadcast address cert 192.168.9.255 and for the 150 host the network address of it is 192.168 192.168.10.10.0 and for the theta of the CIDR niya is 24 and the theta is 0.0.1.0. The first usable IP address of this number of 150 number of hosts, which has 192.168.10.0 network address, is 192.168 192.168.10.1 and 192.168.10.1 and its last usable IP address will be 192.168.10.254 10.254 and the broadcast address for the 350 host will be 192.168.10.255 ay 10.255 and let's move on to PC so 125 PC5 which has 125 hosts. The network address of this PC5 which has number of 125 number of hosts will be 192.168 dot 11 dot 11 dot 0, and the CIDR for this uh 125 host and is its CIDR is 125. Then theta is 0.0.0.0.128 128 128 0.0.128 that's 0.0.0.128. Sheesh, hindi ko siya mapag 0.0.0.128. Ayaw. Ayaw na, sir. Ganyan na lang, sir. Ayaw eh. And the first usable IP address for 125 host will be 192.168.11.1. Then 192.168.11.1, and the last usable IP address will be 192.168.168 dot 11.126 dot 192.168.11.126 and 192.168 dot 3.255 255 255 ay 255 hindi pala dot 126 dot 127 kasi 126 pala, sorry 127 128 25 128. And for the PC3 that has 50 hosts, its network address is the network address for this 50 host is 192.168.11.128 dot 128. Then the CIDR for this will be 26, and the theta of this 26 is 0.0.0.64 0.0.0.64, and the first usable IP address will be 192.168.11.129, and the last usable IP address for this PC that has 50 hosts is 192.168.168.11.190, and the broadcast address for this one is 192.168.168 dot 11 dot 191 190 and 191. And for the remaining, I'll fill this. I'm gonna fill this now with 192.168.11.192, and the CIDR for this is 30, and the theta of the CIDR is 0.0.0.4 0.0.0.4, and its first usable IP address is 192.168.11.193 193 191 192 193 192 193 dapat and then the last usable IP address for this uh, network address is 192.168.11.193 192.168.194. Dot 194. Dot 194. 192.168.194, and its broadcast address will be 192.168.11.195. 92, 93, 94, and 95. So the next will be, uh, as usual, sir, the next will be, sequence 192.168.11. Uh, yung last is nag-end siya sa 195, kaya gawin natin 196. See? Next. And of course, the theta ay CIDR will be 30, and its theta is 0.0.0.4. 196, kaya yung next first usable IP address niya will be 192.168.11.197. 197. 192.168. 192. 192. 192.168. Alisin natin si that 197. Tapos yung last usable IP address niya, sir, is 197, kaya 192.168. Dot, dito kailangan na 11.198. And the broadcast address will be 192.168.168.11.199. 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. 192.168, 192.168.11, 11.196. 196, and its CIDR niya will be 30, and that 0.0.4. And the first usable IP address for this will be 192.168.11.201. 11.01, and the last usable IP address for this one will be 192.168.11.202. The broadcast address for this will be 192.168.11.203. So ito po yung deriving the VLSM subnetting table, and now we're going to the addressing scheme. For the addressing scheme, punta tayo kay R1. Si R1. R1. Dito tayo kay R1, kay FA00, FA0/0 and FA0/1 and SE/0 /0/0/0 and SE001. So first is si FA0/0, tapos si FA0/1, FA0/1, then FA0/1 and SE000, tatlong 0, SE000, 0, then SE001, SE0/01. SE001, SE001, 001. So, 8.1. Kaya IP address 192.168.00 and chassis R1. Kaya magiging what siya? 192.168.8.1. 192.168. Tapos yung subnet mask ng 192.168.8.1 sir is 255.255.254.0, and the default gateway will be not applicable, and FA0 is FA01 is 192.168 192.168.11.1. Then the subnet mask, yan. Yung subnet mask ni FA0-1 sir is 255.255.255.128. 255.255.255.128, and C is SE000. SE000 will be 192.168 192.168.11.194 192.11.194. Tapos yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.255. Then dito tayo kay SE001 for R1. SE0001 for R1 001 for R1 is 192.168.11.201. Then the subnet mask for this is 255.255.255.255.255. Next tayo po is kay R2. Dito R1, si R2, FA00. FA0001. Same lang sa R2 pala. FA00. FA00. SE0. SE. For this one, sir, R2, dito na po tayo kay R2. Mag-start tayo kay R2, which has FA00. FA0.0-0. Kasi niya is 192.168.4.1. And the subnet mask for this will be 255.255.255.250. FA01 for FA01 is 192.168 .10.1 and the subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.0. And dito tayo kay SE000 is 192.168.11.193. And the subnet mask for this will be 255.255.255.252. And for the last one, for R2 SE001 is 192.168.11.198. Tapos yung subnet mask niya is same. 255.255.252. Let's proceed to R3. 001. Para kay R3, si R3 is merong 900 hosts, 50 hosts, PCE. For R3, kay FA00, 192.168.192.168.0.1. That's 0.1. And the subnet mask po niya is 255.255.252.0. And for FA01, 192.168, 192.168.11.129. And the subnet mask for this will be 255.255.252.0. Hindi siya. 255.255.192.192. Then CSE000 will be 192.168.11.197. Then the subnet mask for this is 255.255. 255.255.252. And for SE001, 192.168.11.202. And its subnet mask will be 255.255.255.252. And let's proceed to PC0 is wala atang PC0. Wala akong PC0. Walang PC0, lagyan na natin siya ng NA. Not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. Let's proceed to sa PC1. Kay PC1, PC1, 4, PC6, PC5, PC2, PC1, 765 host. Smooth siya, PC1, PC1, PC1. 765. 192.168.7.254. Then, so na subnet mask na 255.255.0. Tapos, broadcast yung path niya is 192.168.4.1. 168.9.254. And subnet mask will be 254.254.0. And the broadcast address will be 192.168.168.8.1. Next tayo kay PC3. Default gateway pala yun, sir. PC3. 192.168.11.190. 190. 254. Ba't ko ba yan? 254. 192.168.11.190 and the network subnet mask will be 255, 255 and 192. And the default gateway for PC3, default gateway for PC3 is 192.168.11.190. 11.190 and proceed to PC4 will be 192.168. 192.168.10 dot 254, and the subnet mask for this is 255.255.255.0. Then the default gateway will be 192.168.10.1. Sa PC5 naman po tayo is 192.168.11.126, and the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.128, and the default gateway for this 192.168.0.1. And for the PC6, we're going to 192.168.3.2.254, and the subnet mask for this is 255.255.252.0, and the default gateway for this one PC6 will be 192.168.0.1. And this is how you derive the VLSM subnetting table and the addressing scheme. Lang po, sir. Thank you po.